Have you ever wanted to create a professional presentation but been too busy? Or maybe you're not tech savvy enough to make one on your own? Well, today I'm going to show you how to create amazing presentation in just few minutes. Hi, my name is Herbert Flores from herbertflores.net, and this channel is all about online marketing, make money online, and helping you make a wise decision on buying products. My intention is to make sure you get the best value for your money. And today I'm going to show you a software that can help you to create amazing presentation, videos, ebooks in just few minutes without using PowerPoint, Keynotes, and Camtasia. Plus the bonuses that you can get if you decide to buy this product. And also the presentation that I created using this presenter. So let's get started. Alright, so right now I would like to share to you this brand new software presenter. So right now I'm here on the dashboard of this software. Okay, but before that, I would like to share to you the bonuses that I prepare if you grab this software through me. So let's go on my bonus page. So I prepare some exclusive bonuses just for you once you buy it through me. Okay, so the bonus number one that you can get is the 10 additional presenter templates. So these are available inside your software. Okay, once you grab this software, then the bonus number two, you can also get the presentation to profit system. It's a step-by-step training on how to make money with presenter. Then the bonus number three, you can get $50 discount coupon. Okay, so use it on the payment page. So just type Iron Man. Then the number four, this is one of the coolest bonus that I prepare for you. So this is the local video ads creator. So right now, I will be diving in on the dashboard of this local video ads creator, wherein you can get 58 video templates that you can use on your business, or you can sell videos. Then the other bonus that you can get is this. It's an AI spokesperson, okay? Because presenter can export a PDF file presentation, then you can upload the PDF on this software, okay? So later, I will share to you how to use this bonus to create amazing video for your business or for your client. And lastly, the FB Ads secret. So you will learn how to set up your first Facebook ads campaign to boost your sales online. Okay, so that you can get a lot of clients or sales on your business. So let's dive into this software. Okay, so once you log in on this presenter, so all you need to create a presentation is just click this button, create presentation. Or you can also watch the training if you want. So just click on learn. Then you can watch the training videos on this page. So you can also join as an affiliate and promote this software. And also you can claim some rewards. So by clicking this presenter, so you can watch the quick start tutorial on how to record an audio, okay, on how to create an ebook, on how to get clients, on how to share your presentation, on how to export as video, as ebook, or HTML, okay? Some trainings are for upgrade, okay? If you buy some upgrade, so you can also watch the other training, okay? Plus, you can get a free agency website. So you can download the website and you can install it on your web hosting. Or if you don't have any web hosting, so you can avail their package wherein you need to pay a monthly fee, okay, for the hosting of the website. If you buy one of the upgrade, then I can also help you to host your website, okay, as free. Now let's move on creating a presentation. Just go to templates, then you can search There are a lot of categories that you can choose. So example, if you want the e-business or marketing, so you can choose from these 50 templates, okay? If you buy the front end, so you can get 50 templates. But if you want to get more templates, so you can upgrade into Pro, okay? So example, this one, so by clicking this view, you can view the templates, you can browse it, okay, one by one. If you are satisfied with the design, or if you want, you can choose other template that you want to use on your business. So example, this one. Okay, so you can click this one. So you can view one by one on every slides, okay? Then if you are satisfied, then click on use, then enter the file name, then just click on create. Your next step is to customize every single slide. So example, this one. So just click this. So I will add my name. Or you can click and drag this one. Or you can add image, okay, by clicking this menu button and click this square, and you can add image, text, or media, or shape, okay. So let's add image. So you can also choose from the stock images inside your presenter software, or you can also upload your own image by clicking on my images. Then you can browse it on your desktop. Okay, so you can choose, or I will choose the other one, the image that I uploaded lately. Then you can now resize the image, okay? Then you can also add some animation or effects. So just click on this menu. Then you can select static if you want, or by entrance. So example, this one, okay? Or choose the image. You can choose the image that you want to add some animation or effects, okay? Or this text, so you can also add some effects if you want, or you can also edit the color. Then you can preview this slide. Then after that, you can move on the next slide if you want to preview. Then after that, you can click on close. Then you can now select the second slide, and you can edit this one, or you can delete this slide, okay? Then this one, you can change the image, even the text, or if you want to add another slide, just click on the upper left corner, then click on this icon, the add new slide, and you can choose from the design of these slides. So example, this one. Then you can edit this slide, okay? Then the other slide, so you can also add a video, okay? You can change the link, so you can go to YouTube and you can add a video. Just copy the YouTube link, then go back on presenter, then you can now add a video. Then you can select YouTube, then you can paste the link. Then after that, you can resize the video. So you can delete this text. You can move the video. You can delete this text. Okay, so that's it. So your slide now has a video with one slide. Okay, so you can add one video per slide. Okay, then after that we can delete this one, and also you can move the slide. Okay, so once you finish editing or customizing this presentation, you can now save your presentation. Then after that, you can also add a audio. Okay, so you can upload your own audio, or you can record with your own. You can record your own audio. Okay, by clicking this record, then you can now record on every slide. Okay, so by clicking this mouse, this red button. Hello, my name is Herbert Flores. Okay, okay. After that, then you can now start recording. Okay, so right now it's recording. Okay, so you can record per slide. So you can move on another slide. Then after that, you can move again on the other slide. Okay, so that's how this recording works. Then after that, you can now click on stuff. If you already finished, then you can view again your presentation. If you don't have a good voice, so you can use some text-to-speech software. Okay, there's a lot of free text-to-speech software, so you can search on Google, or I will add on this video. So below this video, so you can also access the video tutorial that I created on how to create a text-to-speech voiceover that you can use on Presenter. Okay, then you can upload that audio, okay, for this presentation, or you can download this as a PDF. Okay, or you can also download this as a video. If you download this as a video, so you need to wait at least 1 hour for rendering. Okay, so you can also use it as HTML, and you can upload this. You can upload the HTML on your server. Okay, or you can download the PDF file. Just click on the PDF, or you can also share this presentation by clicking this icon, the share icon. Okay, so you can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn. Okay, just clicking the Twitter, so you can copy the URL link, and you can copy that link and you can share it anywhere online. Okay, you just copy this URL and you can also open it on a new tab. So you can now view your slide. Okay, if you are creating a presentation for your client, so you can now share this slide to them for approval. Or if you have a business like affiliate marketing or network marketing, then you want to share your presentation to your prospect. So this is one of the best way to share your presentation, even without using PowerPoint, and upload the PowerPoint. Okay, so you don't need that. So we already download the PDF file. So this is the PDF file. Now we will use my bonus to create a video using this PDF. Let's log in on my AI software wherein you can create a video using an AI spokesperson. All you need is to upload or import the PDF file by clicking this import PDF. Then choose the PDF file. Just hold on while the PDF is uploading. Okay. Okay, so now once the PDF is uploaded, you can now choose a character that you want to use. For example, we will use Ken. Okay, so by clicking one of the avatar, now you can resize the avatar on this video, and you can type the script on every slide. Okay, so example, welcome to online marketing strategies for business. Then after that, just click this play script.
Welcome to Online Marketing Strategies for Business.
Okay, and you can also change the voice, okay, by clicking here. So you can choose what
Hi
voice
there,
you
are you
want.
looking for a perfect voice? Hope I can be your choice.
Okay, so this one it's good. So you can choose Christopher. Then after that you can preview, okay, or you can now go to slide 2 and you can choose again a avatar, okay? Then after that, or you can also switch this into circle if you want, okay? Then you can move the avatar and you can type the script. Then after that, you can now play again or you can choose again the voice that you choose from your first slide. Then after that, you can now preview the video. For example, this one, we will delete this for the sake of demo, okay? So we will delete the other slide. So let's try to preview this one.
Welcome to Online Marketing Strategies for Business.
Okay, so how cool is that, right? So you don't need to have a good voice or audio. Then you can use this AI spokesperson for creating videos, okay? And you can use presenter for creating the presentation. You can use this on your business or if you are a YouTuber, so you can use this both software, okay, to create an amazing video presentation. Now let's go back to the presenter software. So after you created this presentation, so you can save again your presentation, then you can go back on this software. Now all the presentation that you created are already saved on this project on the project column. Okay, all the templates are here and other features of this software. Okay, if you avail the other upgrade, so like X Factor, so you can get other templates to use. And also there's an Halo 3D wherein you can get a for software that you can create a flipbook creator, a 3D carousel, and hypnotic transition, even the mockup skin, okay? Plus, if you avail the other upgrade software, so you can get access the job finder, wherein you can find a customer to sell your presentation, okay? So this software is connected with Freelancer, so Golance, People Per Hour, 99 Design, and other freelancer website. Okay, so you can search here. So example, presentation. Okay, so after that, you can now choose a job that you want. Okay, so you can now view the job from Freelancer. So wherein you can create a PowerPoint presentation for 45 minutes. So you can earn $30 to $250. Okay, so webinar PowerPoint presentation design. So you can earn $3,000. Wow. So you can click this view job and you will be redirected on freelancer website. Okay, then you can now bid on this job and you can earn 3,000 to 5,000 New Zealand dollars. Okay, that's the power of this presenter. So if you grab this software, so I recommend to buy other upgrades. So like this one, the job finder. So you can find a job faster using this and also the BSL, so you can create a video sales letter for your business or for your client. Now, watch this short video presentation that I created using Presenter. Welcome to Presenter Review. So what is Presenter? It's a brand new software that allows you to create amazing presentations and videos easier and faster than old-fashioned tools like PowerPoint or Camtasia Studio with minimal effort. A software that will help you create sales-producing courses, tutorials, webinars, website videos, incredible slides, video sales letter, sales pitches, and more for your personal or client projects. The creator of this software is Adil Chaudhry. He's been marketing online for over 15 years, have a track record for producing endless number one bestsellers which bank millions of dollars in sales every time across any platform that he decides to launch on such ClickBank, JBSU, etc. Presenter is clearly for the busy marketer or small business owner who is looking for a fast, low-cost way to pump out amazing presentation without any steep learning curves. It's for people like you who just want to grab a beautiful template, drag and drop, stuff around, tweak, turn it into video, then share it with your audience in minutes. It is for people who need professional presentation in a hurry without huge upfront fees or ongoing monthly bills. So what I like with this software, it's just so easy to use. You grab a niche template, drag and drop things around, you can insert or remove elements, then tap to publish. There are no crazy control panels, no steep learning curves, no need to go to Google for help, or no need to download software because it's 100% cloud-based. So what I don't like, best features lag behind upsells, but you should get them. How much that it costs? Normally $197, but the special launch price is a low one-time price of $47. Presenter has 4 upsells. You don't really need all of them to use Presenter, but I do recommend them as they'll come into useful depending on your situation and usage. The upsell number 1 is the Presenter Professional. It will unlock 150 more templates, slides, graphics, icons, pictures, animation, and more. Presenter is also loaded with an awesome video sales letter creator, which is locked or hidden until you upgrade. This is completely separate product that builds into Presenter, allowing you to create good-looking video sales letter that convert like crazy. Upsell number 2, the Presenter X Factor, the monthly templates. This gets you 1,500 worth of press modern presentation templates, graphics, slide backgrounds, and icons each month for a full year. For just one small fee, there's 0 recurring charges. Great for keeping your presentation unique and grabbing attention for month to month. This is perfect for agencies and other high-usage marketers. The upsell number 3, the Presenter Halo, a powerful 4-in-1 software suite that will help you to leverage your presentation for more traffic and sales, wherein you can get the Flipbook Creator app, the 3D rotating carousels app, the Hypnotic Transition app, and HD Background Skins app. The upsell number 4 is the Presenter's Auto Job Finder. Get you client instantly. Since Presenter comes with commercial license, this upgrade is great addition to help you make money. If you're going to be use Presenter to create presentation as a service to get paid, then Presenter's Auto Job Finder is something that you need. It's automatically find you fresh jobs and clients from across various freelance websites and notify you so that you can fulfill them. A huge time saver and money earner. Some clients will pay you high as $2,000 for you to create design presentation for them. So number 5 is the Presenter Agency Edition. Create presentation faster with Teams. Want to start an agency or currently run one and want to scale and serve more clients? Well, now you can add 25 additional team members to your account to maximize your productivity, clients, and revenue worldwide remotely. Generate a 6 or 7-figure income with Presenter Agency Edition, your backbone for a centralized workforce in a global team account where everyone can collaborate. And lastly, my conclusion is I've tried many presentation software, both free and paid, and none of them compare to the ease of use and power that Presenter offers. In this day and age, people want to see something new, but don't have the time or skill to create it themselves. Get instant access now and get exclusive bonuses. The exclusive bonus number 1, you can get 10 exclusive Presenter templates. You can get this on the members area and this is worth $247. The exclusive bonus number 2 is the presentation to profit system. This secret video module will teach you a powerful method on how to turn your presentation into massive profits at a push of a button. You'll be able to make $100 per day with this incredible strategy. And this is available on your members area. The exclusive bonus number 3, you can get $50 off when you buy this, so just use this coupon code IRONMAN and you can get the $50 discount. And the bonus number 4, the local video ads creator. This is worth $97. You can get a 58 video design templates and you can create video ads for your business and for your client. All you need is to email your receipt on my email address. Then I can give you the access. And the exclusive bonus number 5 is the AI spokesperson. This is worth $297. You can create unlimited AI avatar video, text to speech, where you can download the PDF file on Presenter, then you can upload the PDF and use this AI spokesperson to create a video. And lastly, the exclusive bonus number 6, the FB Ads secret video training. This is worth $67. This is a step-by-step training on how to set up your first Facebook ad campaign for your business. All you need is to email your receipt through me. With Presenter, you can make $1,000 per month. Sell presentation creation services to client. Thousands of people are looking to pay someone right now. You can make $75, $350, or even $1,000 plus per presentation. You can work part-time on your spare time, or you can use Presenter as your secret weapon. Wherein Presenter comes with a free commercial license. Plus, you can get the agency website with portfolio included. This is worth $997. And also, you can get the exclusive bonuses with total worth of $1,255. For a limited time offer, click the link below to get this Presenter right now at a special discounted price.